Oh, hey. Cooking 1-5 here. You eat some of my fries?
Those are your fries. Mine are in there. Mine are on the left side. Yeah.
They're only half filled?
Yeah.
You've been munching out of mine, haven't you?
I didn't touch the fries.
Well, anyway. There's your napkins. I know you're gonna make a mess. There's your thing. Alright, we had to go to lunch again today. Went to Arby's. Yeah. I don't know if you got Arby's around you or not. They've been around a long time. Figure everybody probably got them. So anyway, in this lunch and learn, I don't know what we want to learn about today. I need some trash or something. Here, put that right there. I like to put a little of this Arby's sauce on there. It's kind of like a barbecue sauce. Good. It's kind of not.
Oh, this looks like crap.
I don't know what they have there. I don't know what this is. Some kind of beef, they say. I went for the small mellow yellow. Cover that up. You know what? I'm just gonna put that in the bag. Put that in the bag. Yeah. What are we gonna teach them about today?
Oh, this thing's messy.
Man, these, if you ever go to Arby's, tell them you want cheddar fry. And after they stare at you stupid for a little while, you tell them it's just fries with a cup of cheddar cheese. Every once in a while. Every once in a while, someone will figure it out. But, you know, they got a fry button on their register, and they got a cheese button. They don't have a cheese fry button, so they panic. They don't know what to do. But, these fries are kind of greasy.
You went to Arby's, what do you expect?
I guess that's kind of what fries are, you know.
Crap. Greasy, nasty fries.
Man, it's greasy.
This is the messiest Arby's thing I've ever eaten.
I didn't even know Arby's had that kind of stuff.
I think it's new.
Yeah.
It's not that good.
Did you spill all this all over?
No, it was you. Your fries were sitting there. It's your fries.
Ooh, pick that up. That's my discount thing. Here, you're gonna need that bag to clean up. Put your stuff up. Ugh.
You know,
I don't feel like we got it together today. I mean, we got our lunch.
are you gonna explain to the restaurant employees how to scoop their ice? Is that what they know?
We learned that, yeah. I don't know what happened. Let me tell you a little something about eating out. That's what we'll do. We'll talk about eating out. I mean, obviously, you know, you really want to eat home-cooked food, your own food, you know, nice home-cooked meal, but sometimes you ain't got time to go home. You gotta eat out. Which, one, you're not going to get maximum flavor. Two, it's kind of dangerous. But three, it's cheap. That's why people do it. You probably thought I was going to say it's expensive. You know, it kind of depends on what you're comparing to. You know, I use name brand ingredients, quality ingredients, you know, the best cuts of meat, that kind of thing. So my home cooked meals are kind of expensive compared to, you know, eating out. It's actually kind of cheap, but you get what you pay for, you know. But anyway, we go to Arby's today, and I get a drink. And you probably figured out by now, I don't use the straws. I like to see my drink. You know, I like to smell my food, chew my food, see my drink. I like to enjoy it. You know, I like food. It was a good thing because I open it up and all this brown stuff floating around in there all over the place. I'll take it back inside, and this guy like, I don't know, it looks like curly fry crumbs or something. So I don't know how curly fry crumbs get in your drink, but he gave me a new drink. He's all nice about it. In fact, he gave me a bigger size. You know, I got a small one, but he gave me a large one. Yeah, I guess kind of make up for the trouble, you know. But I come back out, I took the lid off again, and I saw a little spot on one piece of the ice. I mean, it's coming from the ice, I'm pretty sure. And it kind of reminds me about the rules. You know, if you go to a restaurant and you see people that using the ice scoop, you see other people that take the cup, that scoop the ice out with the cup. And you can't do that. I mean, that's disgusting, because you're taking cups that have been laying around who knows where, you're putting them down in your ice. But most importantly, a lot of these cups, especially the paper cups, it's got this wax coating on them, you know. And you know, the wax coating comes off, it gets all clogged up in there, and next thing you know, you got all this debris and all this just gunk down inside your ice, and any kind of dust, any kind of debris, anything coming off of them cups, you know, falling down in the ice, and that builds up over time. And I'm not saying that's what happened this time, but I'm saying that's probably what happened, you know. But the moral of the story is don't use a lid on your cup. He always uses a lid and a straw, and what happened?
I don't know.
He saw that. First thing you did is panic. I'm the one with the problem with the drink, and you panic. He takes his lid off, gets looking in his cup, try to see if he can see nothing. He's got Coke. He's looking for little brown spots in his Coke. I got mellow yellow. It's obvious. That's another tip.
I prefer to be oblivious.
You was panicking when you were ripping the lid off.
You're the one that looked.
Get a clear drink.
Start recording.
Light colored drink. You know, debris, things like that. It's gonna show up in there. I'll tell you the other thing. The you one of these mayonnaise people. I don't get the mayonnaise for obvious reasons. Tartar sauces, things like that. Mayonnaise is bad on its own, but you get mayonnaise from a restaurant, you're asking for trouble. That's one of the most dangerous ingredients that anybody could ever handle. Anything could happen to that mayonnaise. It sours real easy. It gets old. It becomes deadly. You know, mayonnaise gets old. It'll kill you. It'll make you real sick if it don't kill you. So I recommend staying away from the mayonnaise. But if you're just one of the mayonnaise people, get it in a packet. Do yourself a favor. Get the mayonnaise in the packet. Don't have them put it on a sandwich, because you know it's coming out of some bin that they've been slopping all kinds of stuff in there. And you know, you ever get a sandwich that doesn't have lettuce, but you're eating it, there's a little piece of lettuce that probably came out of the mayonnaise. You know, they're spreading that. You think it's funny, but they're spreading that mayonnaise all over everything. They're getting bread crumbs, chicken crumbs, fish crumbs, lettuce, pickle. I mean, it's all. And then to make it worse, when they run out, what they got to do? They put more on top, and all that stuff just keeps settling down there to the bottom. And it's a good way to get yourself killed. What's this guy doing?
He's walking.
Yeah, I don't know where he's going, but
I don't know. He's got a clipboard. That's pretty important.
Well, if you've got a clipboard, use important. I'll tell you that.
He's got a clipboard and a cell phone.
He's probably the boss wherever he's going. But yeah, I mean, you know, you gotta be careful when you eat out. There's certain kind of foods you probably want to stay away from. Certain kind of ingredients. Always inspect your drink. Inspect your sandwich, really. I mean, there's certain, you know, every once in a while, there's certain places, especially the fast foods, I like to take the bun up, kind of look inside, make sure everything's okay in there. Make sure there's nothing going on that shouldn't be. Unless it's Chick-fil-A. You'll never have a problem with Chick-fil-A. You know, you just bite in, right? You just go ahead and bite right in. Nobody's ever had any kind of problem at Chick-fil-A. You won't get a cold fry. You ain't going to get a bad sandwich. You ain't going to get a cold sandwich. It's all going to be fresh. Nobody's going to mess with it. Nobody's going to make it wrong. Because you can't. How do you make it wrong? It's just chicken on a bun with a pickle. You can't screw that up. What else they got at Chick-fil-A? Don't they got some other chickens? Chicken nuggets, you can't screw them up.
Grilled nuggets?
Grilled nuggets, you can't screw them up. Chicken salad. You can screw up chicken salad, but you know, the only thing you do, you get these people that iceberg lettuce. You get them people out there that want to call iceberg lettuce a salad because they put a couple flakes of carrot on top or something. That ain't a salad unless you got some cucumber in there. You got some other greens. You know, you got some darker leaves. Not just the iceberg. Throw a little romaine in there, a little spring max or something. And any high quality establishment, you can get a real salad. You're not gonna get the iceberg lettuce.
Yeah.
But well, there you have it. We had Arby's. Taught you a little bit about food safety, eating out. You think anything else?
No.
You don't ever think anything, do you?
Nope. Clear. Blank.
You don't have to do anything You don't have to do anything to eat my fries.
I never touched your fries. fries were on the left.
Try to eat my food all the time. Yeah, and they just filled mine. They happened to fill mine halfway.
Did you check the bottom of the bag? Maybe they fell out.
Maybe you fall out my car. So anyways, yeah, we're out.